Good morning, children. I am your science teacher. Did you remember me? Yes. Come on. What is the name of the first lesson? I already explained you. Types of plants. Okay. Today we are coming to the second lesson. Before going to the lesson, I will ask you some questions. Okay. Okay. Do you know what are our basic needs? Basic needs means మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా మనం నివసించడానికి కావాల్సిన బేసిక్ నీడ్స్ మనకి ఖచ్చితంగా కావాల్సినవి ఏమేంటో తెలుసా మీకు? డూ యు నో? ఎస్, కమ్ ఆన్, ఐ విల్ టెల్ యు నౌ. ఫస్ట్ వన్, బేసిక్ నీడ్స్ అంటే ఇవి లేకపోతే మనం బ్రతకలేము. వి కాంట్ లివ్ వితౌట్ దిస్ basic needs. Okay, first one air. These are our basic needs ma. First one air. Second one water. And third one food. Fourth one clothes. And fifth one shelter. Come on, what are our basic needs? ఖచ్చితంగా మనం బ్రతకడానికి కావాల్సినవమ్మా ఇవి బేసిక్ నీడ్స్. we can't live without this basic needs. Okay, come on, coming to the air. First one, what is the first one? Air. From where the air is getting? From where we are getting the fresh and clean air? I already explained you about plants. First lesson is about types of plants, isn't it? Yes. From where the air is coming? Fresh and clean air? Yes, it is coming from the plants only, isn't it? We are getting the fresh and clean air from the plants. Can we live without air? No, we can't live without air. Once, see, can we close our nose and stay for 2 to 3 minutes? No. Why? Because we can't stay without air. We can't stay without breathing. This is the new word for you. breathing. Breathing. We can't stay without breathing. Okay, ma? This is the new word for you. Breathing. Why? Because we need air to live. That's why air is our basic need. Okay? From where we are getting this air? We are getting this air from green plants. Okay, from the plants only we are getting fresh and clean air. Next one, water. Can we stay without water? No, we can't stay without water. Okay, we can stay up to 2 to 3 days, that's all. But after that we will feel thirsty. మనకి దాహం వేస్తుంది, అవునా కదా? 2-3 days ఒకవేళ మనం మాక్సిమం తాగకుండా ఉండగలిగితే 2-3 days ఉండగలం. తర్వాత మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, మన గొంతుకి అంతా తడారిపోయి we will feel thirsty, isn't it? So water is also very important for us. So it is also one of the basic need. Third one, what is the third one? Food. Daily we are eating food, isn't it? How many times we are eating daily? We are having our breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. We are having our breakfast, isn't it? Yes, this is the first time. What we are having in our breakfast? We will eat number of items, food items in the breakfast, isn't it? We will prefer tiffins to eat, isn't it? What are those? Idli, dosa, puri, bhaji. We all prefer to eat all this breakfast in the morning. When we will eat this breakfast? We will eat this breakfast in the morning. When we will eat this breakfast? We will eat this breakfast in the morning. Okay. Next, second one. After breakfast, what we will do? We will drink some juices, isn't it? Yes. After that, afternoon, what you will do? You will have some lunch. L-U-N-C-H, lunch. When we will eat this lunch? You will eat this lunch in the afternoon. Isn't it? Yes. After that, after 4 o'clock in the evening, you will have snacks, isn't it? So yes, after 4 o'clock you will have some snacks, and night what you will do? Night you will have dinner. 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 When you will eat this dinner? At night. Okay. Morning we will eat breakfast. In the afternoon we will have our lunch. At night we will eat dinner. Why we are eating all these? To live, isn't it? Without food can we live? No, without food we cannot live. Without food can we live, ma? No. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఏమైనా మమ్మీ మీద డాడీ మీద ఏమైనా కోపం ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళు కొనాలను కొనకపోతే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? యూ విల్ టెల్ సింప్లీ ఐ వాంట్ ఈట్ ఫుడ్. అప్ టు వెన్ సమ్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ స్టే వితౌట్ ఫుడ్, isn't it? yes. కొంచెం సేపే మీరు ఫుడ్ తినకుండా ఉండగలరు. కాసేపు అయ్యాక ఏం చేస్తారు? మమ్మీ ఆకలేస్తుంది, భోజనం పెట్టు మమ్మీ అంటారా అంటారా? yes. Can we live without food? No, we can't live without food. So food is also our basic need. yes. Coming to the fourth one, clothes. Coming to the fourth one, what is the fourth basic need? That is clothes. Can we stay without wearing clothes? No. All the people will, what they will do? They will laugh at you, isn't it? yes. Without wearing clothes, can we live? No. Whether it is very costly or whether it is very cheap, you have to wear clothes, isn't it? Without wearing clothes, can we come outside? No, we can't come outside. Okay. From where these clothes are coming and from where this food is coming, I will ask you now. Okay. Next one, shelter. Shelter means nothing but house. Shelter means nothing but house where we are living. Can we live without a house? No, we cannot live without house. Okay. Can we live without house, ma? No, we can't live without house. Whether it is a small hut, whether it is a big building, we have some house. Why do we need a house? ఎందుకు కావాలి మనకి ఇల్లు? To protect ourselves. మనల్ని మనం కాపాడుకోవడానికి we need a house, isn't it? As for all the human beings, these basic needs are very important, ma. Okay. What is the name of the first lesson? Did you remember, ma? Yes. The name of the first lesson is types of plants. Today also we are going to learn more and more about plants only. Today we are going to learn another new topic, not types of plants. These are uses of plants. What is the name of the second lesson, ma? The name of the second lesson is uses of plants. Uses of plants. Come on, uses. Uses means మనకి plants వల్ల ఏంటి లాభం? అసలు ఏమేమి వస్తున్నాయి మనకి plants నుంచి? మనం ఇవాళ నేర్చుకుందామా? Are you ready? Come on. Already I told you about the basic needs. These are the 5 basic needs, isn't it? Come on. Air. Coming to the air, I already told you. From where the air is getting? Fresh and clean air we are getting only from the plants. So plants are very important or not? Yes, plants are very important. Okay. Now, are you growing plants in your houses? Then you will feel fresh and clean air in your house also. Okay. See, in your house, we all are having fans in our houses, isn't it? Once observe, fan air is nice or fresh and clean air near the plants are nice. Okay, we will feel that plants are giving fresh and clean air and it is very cool. We will feel very comfortable if we are having so many plants in our houses. So children, you have to plant more and more plants in your houses. Okay, come on, so that we can get fresh and clean air. So that we can get fresh and clean air. First one, what the plants are giving? Yes, plants are giving fresh and clean air. Giving fresh, F-R-E-S-H, fresh, and clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean air. What What the plants are giving, ma? Plants are giving fresh and clean air. Green plants. Most of the plants are in which color, ma? I already told you in the first lesson. Most of the plants are in green color. Most of the plants are in green color. What is the spelling of the green? Did you remember? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay. Come on. Already I explained you air. From where we are getting the air? We are getting fresh and clean air from the plants only. What that air is called? We are taking in some air inside. No. The name of that air, what I told you in the first lesson? Yes, it is oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen. మనం లోపలికి తీసుకునే ఎయిర్ ని ఆక్సిజన్ అంటాము. We are releasing some air outside which is warm. కొంచెం వేడి గాలిని మనం బయటకు వదిలేస్తున్నాము. That air is called carbon dioxide. That air is called carbon dioxide. Okay, which we are taking in, that air is called oxygen, and which we are releasing out, that air we call it as carbon dioxide. Oxygen is very useful to us to live, to breathe. Okay, carbon dioxide is very useful to whom? To us? No, carbon dioxide is very useful to plants. Why? To prepare food. To prepare food. Plants will prepare food. I already explained in the previous classes, isn't it? Yes. First one, plants are giving fresh and clean air. The name of that air we are taking in is called oxygen. Okay, ma. After this, did you understand? You have to listen carefully. Okay, na? Water. You already know water is also very important. That is another topic I will tell you in the next class. Coming to the food. Coming to the food. From where do we are? From morning. Come on. In the morning, I ate chapati. For breakfast, I ate chapati and cake. Chapati. Do you like chapati? Chapati. Do you like chapati? Yes. You like chapati, isn't it? Yes. From where we are getting this chapati? Directly, your mother is preparing chapati at home, isn't it? From where we are getting? Yes, I will tell you now. Here, do you know wheat? Wheat plant. Do you know wheat plant? Already I told you. Wheat is a herb, rice is a herb, isn't it? Yes, chapati. This is coming from the plants only. Most of our food, not only chapati, not only idli, not only puri. What the food items we are taking? Most of our food items we are getting from the plants. Most of our food. Most of our food we are getting from where? Yes, most of our food we are getting from the plants only. Yes, daily you are waking up, isn't it? Morning when you wake up, what you will do? You will brush. From where the toothpaste is coming? Yes, toothpaste is also coming from the plants only. Do you know that? No, you don't know. From morning to evening, what you are eating, what you are doing, that food is most of the food is coming from the plants only, and some food is coming from the animals. That I will explain in the next classes. But today our topic is uses of plants only. No, that's why I am explaining you about more and more about only plants. Okay, ma? Come on. Most of our food items we are getting from the plants only. You know? You all will brush your teeth. Yes, I will brush my teeth twice a day. Do you brush? You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Twice means 2 times a day. Okay? You have to brush. Okay, ma? Yes. We all are brushing our teeth. Yes. The toothpaste which we are using daily, that is coming from the plants only. The product it is coming from the plant only. After that, what you will do? You will have your bath. And what you will do? come simply and have your breakfast. No, you will wear some clothes, isn't it? We all are wearing clothes or not? Yes. Some of the fibers means some of the clothes like cotton, cotton, cotton and jute. Cotton and jute. These are coming from the plants only. Cotton, the clothes which we wear in summer season. Do you know cotton clothes, ma'am? Yes, we all wear cotton clothes in the summer season, isn't it? From where we are getting those cotton? Yes, from the cotton plant only the cotton clothes are coming. Okay, cotton is coming and it is made into clothes which we are wearing. Yes, after having we will wear clothes. Isn't it? It is our basic need already I told you. Without wearing clothes, can we go out? No, we can't go out without wearing clothes. Okay, come on. Jute. Jute means gone sanchulu antaru chusara. Gone sanchulu. Next mats. These all will prepare with the fiber that is called jute. That is called jute. Okay. I will show you all these pictures also. I will bring them. Okay. Come on. Come on, cotton and jute. These we are getting from the, after having your bath, what you will do? You will have your breakfast. You will eat so many items in the breakfast, isn't it? Idli with chutney. Idli is prepared with what you know? Idli is prepared with dal. What dal you know? Number of dals are there. Pappulu. Okay, in Telugu we call as minapappu. Okay, yes, that item is also coming from the plants only. Yes, after preparing idli, only idli you will eat. No, along with idli, what you will do? You will have chutney also. Yes, isn't it? Yes, chutney where it is coming from? From the plants only. Do you know groundnuts? Groundnuts, వేరుశనగుళ్ళు తెలుసా మీకు అందరికి? వేరుశనగుళ్ళు. This వేరుశనగుళ్ళు is also coming from the plants. So by this we can understand we are getting number of items from the plants only. Is the plants are useful or not? Yes, they are very useful. Isn't it? Okay. Today you ate idli and chutney. Idli with urad dal and chutney with groundnut. Urad. See? Urad. U-R-A-D. Urad. Dal. Next. U-R-A-D. Urad. D-A-L. Dal. Urad dal. And chutney with groundnut. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground and U-T. Nut. These two items from where it is coming? It is coming from the plants only. Okay. Next. After having your breakfast, what you will drink? Some juice. Isn't it? Yes. From where the juices are coming? From where? Come on. Tell me which juice do you like? I like banana juice. Which juice do you like? Do you drink juices? Yes, we all drink juices. It is very good for our health also. Yes, from the banana plant I am getting banana juice. Which juice do you like? Do you like grape juice? Watermelon juice? Papaya juice? Yes, from where we are getting all these fruits? We are getting all the fruits from the plants only. Do you know fruits, ma'am? Do you know fruits? Yes. Come on, name some fruits. Shall I write some names on the board? Okay, now I will write some names. See. Come on. Yes. Names of fruits. Tell me some names of fruits. We are having number of fruits, isn't it? First one you already learned in the first classes. Banana. Banana is a fruit or not? Yes. Do you like banana? Yes, you have to eat banana daily. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya is also a fruit. Apple. Apple is also a fruit. Okay. Next. Watermelon. In the summer season, we will eat number of watermelons, isn't it? Watermelon is also a fruit. Next, orange. Orange is also a fruit. Next, still so many fruits are there. Come on, tell me some fruits names. Strawberry, guava. These are all names of the fruits. Banana, artipandu. Do you know banana? Banana, artipandu. Papaya, papaya. Bobbaskaya. Apple, సేప్ అంటారు తెలుగులో. Apple. Okay, watermelon, పుచ్చకాయ. Okay, orange. Orange అంటే మీకు తెలుసు కదా, orange. Next, strawberry. రెడ్ కలర్ లో ఉంటాయి పైన, strawberry. Guava. Guava means జామకాయ. These are from all these food items. From where we are getting? Are we cooking all these food items anywhere? Are we getting from anywhere? We are getting from all these from only plants, amma. Okay. Next. Yes. After drinking juice, what you will do? After 12, after drinking juice, after 1 hour, 2 hours, again you will feel hungry, isn't it? Again you will feel hungry or not? Yes, we will feel hungry. Then at 12 o'clock, at noon, what you will do? You will have your lunch. You will have your lunch. This is midday meals, lunch. For lunch, what you will do? You will have rice, isn't it? Rice. Yes. Next, rice, dal. అన్నం పెట్టుకుంటారు, తర్వాత దాల్, నెయ్యి వేసి అన్నం పెట్టుకుంటారు, దాల్ పప్పు వేసుకుంటారు, అవునా కదా? అగైన్ సమ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ కర్రీ. వెజిటేబుల్ కర్రీ. ఆర్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్? లంచ్ లో ఇవన్నీ తింటున్నారా లేదా మీరు? ఎస్. కమింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్, రైస్. రైస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? ఆన్ ద డే ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ రైస్ ఇస్ ఎ హర్బ్. ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ద రైస్ ఇస్ గెటింగ్? Rice is getting from the plants only. Okay. Next, dal, pappulu. Already I told you, urad dal. Dal, this is moong dal or arhar. Dal, I will explain you in the next classes. Moong dal and arhar. Arhar ante kandipappu. ARHAR, arhar. Arhar ante kandipappu. మమ్మీ పప్పు వండుతారు కదా, పప్పులో నెయ్యి వేసి అన్నం కలిపి పెడతారు కదా, అర్హర్. అర్హర్ మీన్స్ కందిపప్పు. మమ్మీ పెట్టేది కందిపప్పు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మూంగ్ దాల్. మూంగ్, MOONG, మూంగ్ దాల్. ఇది పెసరపప్పు. ఈ రెండు పప్పులతో మనం పప్పు వండుకుంటాం. ఓకే. రైస్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? రైస్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్యాడీ. అంటే farmer, if the farmer plant paddy plants, then if we remove the layer cover of the paddy, then it will become rice. Okay. Next, dal. From where the dal is getting? We are getting urad dal, arhar, moong, chana, senagalu. We all are getting these all from the plants only. Next, vegetables. Do you know vegetables? Come on, name some vegetables. Come on, name some vegetables. 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 Do you name some vegetables, ma? Brinjal. Brinjal. Come on. Onion. Potato. Next, tomato. Brinjal, onion, potato, tomato. Next still more. So many are there. We can say number of green leafy vegetables. Not only these vegetables, green leafy vegetables also there, isn't it? Spinach. These are green leafy vegetables. Palakora, spinach. These all comes from the plants only. Okay. Brinjal means wankai. Okay. Next, onion, ullipaya. From where we are getting this brinjal? From the brinjal plant. Onion from the onion plant. Potato from the potato plant we are getting. Okay. This tomato, TOMATO, tomato. Already we learned in the first class. First lesson, tomato is a herb. From the tomato plant only we are getting tomatoes. Not only this, so many vegetables are there and so many green leafy vegetables also there. Spinach, palakora, coriander, 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 kothimira. From where the kothimira is coming? Do you know kothimira? Mummy will add kothimira in all the curries to garnish, isn't it? Coriander. We are getting coriander from the coriander plant. Mint leaves, pudina. Mint from the plants only. Pudina also we are getting from the plants only. By this we can say a number of food items we are getting from the plants only. Okay ma, did you understand? Once again I am coming from the first. What is the name of the second lesson ma? Uses of plants. Uses of plants. What is the name of the second lesson? Uses of plants. USES, uses. OF of PLANTS, plants. Before going to the lesson, what I explained you basic needs. Basic needs ante human beings ante manamu బ్రతకడానికి ఖచ్చితంగా కావాల్సిన ఇవి ఏంటవి చూడండి. ఎయిర్. కాసేపు మనం ముక్కు మూసుకొని ఉండగలమా? నో, we can't live without air for few minutes or few seconds. కొన్ని మినిట్స్ కొన్ని సెకండ్స్ కూడా మనం ముక్కు మూసుకొని కానీ గాలి లేకుండా ఉండలేము. From where we are getting this fresh and clean air? From the green plants we are getting fresh and clean air. We can't stay without air for few minutes. Okay, coming to the water. Water is also our basic need. We can stay without water for 1 or 2 days, that's all. But after 2 days we will feel thirsty అంటే మనకి దాహం వేసేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. So water is our basic need. Man water kuda, life is impossible with these basic needs. Okay ma? Next coming to the food. Today we learn more and more about food only. ఇవాళ మనం ఎక్కువగా నేర్చుకున్నది ఫుడ్ గురించి. అవునా కదా? Yes. From where this food is coming? Most of our food is we are getting from the plants only. Most of our food we are getting from plants. అంటే మనం తినే ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ లో చాలా వరకు మనకి ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచే వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్? మనం అందుకే మన ఇంటి చుట్టూ ఏమైనా ప్లాంట్స్ ని పెంచామనుకోండి, ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ మనకి చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? మనం ఈ రోజు ఎక్కువ ఫుడ్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఓకే, టుమారో క్లోత్స్ గురించి, షెల్టర్, ఎలాగా క్లోత్స్ గురించి షెల్టర్ గురించి కూడా నేను నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.